Hi everyone, my name is Renaldi Samsiulawatano with the student number 032. Today I would like to present a research article entitled When Home Becomes Unfamiliar, Exploring Solastalgia in the Wake of the Lapindo Mud Disaster. This article was written by Metin Meganita and colleagues and published in the BEO Web of Conference in 2026. In this presentation, I will summarize the article using the IMRAD structure, which includes the introduction, methods, results, and discussion. Now, let me begin with the introduction. Uh, Introduction and abstract. The Lapindo Mudflow is a big environmental disaster in Indonesia. It destroyed many homes and forced many people to leave. The study talks about solastalgia, which is a feeling of sadness because the environmental change. The result shows that people feel long-term emotional pain, but they slowly try to adapt and accept the situation. Next, the research objective is first, life experience, which explore individual stories from disaster survivors. And the second one is loss effects, which is understand impact of displacement on well-being. The last number is three. Their psychological impact, analyze coping strategies, and identity change. Next, the method is qualitative approach to understanding impact. This employs a qualitative phenomenological approach to explore personal experiences of three participants, each 35 to 55 years old, and through semi-structured structured interviews and interpretative phenomenological analysis for deep emotional insights. And the result in the main themes of solastalgia, uh, participants express profound feeling of loss, and then meaning of home, which home represented identity and community for participants. Uh, Next, disaster impacts. The mud disaster reshaped life and environmental drastically. Acceptance, many learn to ad adapt to new realities, and then self-adjustment where individuals navigated complex emotional landscapes over time. Um, in the result explanation, many people felt fear, sadness, and anxiety because the environmental changed a lot. The home was not only a place to live, but also gave identity, comfort, and connection. So, losing home also means losing a sense of belonging in life. The disaster affected many parts of life, like mental health, social relation, and economy. People had to adapt and rebuild their lives in a new place. In the discussion section, um, the results show that solastalgia is not just a short feeling but a long-term condition, which the environmental change can affect people's identity, feelings, and social life. Recovery from disaster is slow and needs time. People need not only a new place to live, but also emotional support. Next, conclusion and future insight from this study is in the Lapindo Mudflow disaster has long-term psychological impacts, not only a physical loss. In this study, home is not only a building but also includes feelings, relationship, and identity. When these are lost or changed, people feel deep and long-lasting distress or suffering. Even though participants slowly adapt and accept the situation, their experiments show that recovery does not mean the loss is gone. It means people learn to live with the loss and find new meaning in life. Future research should study similar cases in different environments and cultures. This is important to better understand how an environmental change and affect human well-being. Next, reflection. Um, this article is important for me because environmental disaster do not only damage physical things, but also affect people's mental health. The study also shows how people feel lost, adapts, and change and slowly rebuild their life. It also shows human resilience and that recovery needs time and support. This topic is important in psychology, especially for me too, especially to understand emotional responses to environmental problems and the need for mental health support. Okay, guys. So thanks for your attention. I would like to be happy if you like this presentation for me. And again, I would like say thank you very much